Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nude, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. This video is going to be on, I want to call it a Valentine's Day kind of try on haul. It is lingerie, mostly lingerie, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys the pieces that I got most recently. Yeah, so I have a bunch of pieces from Savage X Fenty and from Fashion Nova that I'm so excited to show you guys. This is for my curvy girls. I have trouble finding some lingerie to wear, you know, we'll be having trouble, so I got you guys covered. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and pray that we don't get demonetized. Again, guys, subscribing really helps my channel. It helps me be able to fund my channel, all of that. So if you could just subscribe right now, that would be amazing. I do want to mention that, you know, this is a lingerie try-on haul, so the demonetization scale is high, so I'm not going to show everything. I'm not gonna bear it all. This is not OnlyFans, like, all right. But I want to show you guys these pieces because I do want to bring you guys pieces that you can get. All right, so I'm gonna do my best to show you guys in full length what I can. Let's get into it. My setup is a little bit different just because I am in my studio and I don't have a backdrop yet. This is actually fabric. So, yeah, the angle is gonna be a little bit off. But the first thing I wanted to show you guys is this two-piece set from Savage X Fenty. I'll put the name of each item on the description box down below. But this is the sports bra. I think this is my favorite one so far because this one is really supportive, I feel like, for my body type. It also gives you a sexy kind of cleavage. It doesn't squish your breasts, and it gives you enough space to kind of, like, you know, fill it out. I really like that. I also like that it has a little Savage X Fenty logo on the front with a rose and a heart. So that's for their, like, Valentine's Day line. These leggings, I'm not really the biggest fan of. I don't feel like they are very flattering. They don't go all the way to my feet. They only go to my like shin kind of. But I don't love that about them. It's kind of annoying. So I don't think I'm gonna keep these, honestly. Like, this is the first thing from Savage X Fenty that I don't think I'm gonna keep. I do think that I'm gonna return the top as well, just because this is a set and I feel like there's no point of having the top if I'm not gonna have the bottom. Yeah, so this is the first item. You know what it is? My thighs to waist ratio is off. So my thighs are really big and my legs are really big. So it's super tight on my legs, but like loose up here, like very loose. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, it's very loose. Like, I don't like that fit. I really like the comfortability fit, and this is just not giving me that. This is not that. So yeah. Next. All right, guys, so I had to keep my leggings on for this next item. This next item is this steel bone corset from Savage X Fenty. It does have the garter little loops on it, so you can wear a garter belt. You guys, I've had, like, corsets before, but geez, this one is not playing with me. So this is what it looks like. This is the top. Very, very sexy. Super sexy. It was really hard to put on, but I feel like I look amazing. This is the back. I don't know what's in here. I think, why do I feel like there's, like, I don't know what's in here. Oh, I think it's supposed to go, like, on my back. I think it's like a little sheer part that goes on the back, but whatever. So this is the back. If you guys can see, this is dope. And this is, again, from their Valentine's Day collection. I really love this. You can see the red detailing and roses. Very sexy. My waist is snatched. Like, I feel like I don't look too overstuffed. I don't feel overstuffed. Let me just look in the mirror. Okay guys, this is the next set that I got from Savage X Fenty. This is a sheer set, so I did put like something in the way so I can cover my breast. But you guys, this set is so sexy. Wow. These are crotchless panties, but you can't tell, so you guys can't see. But I will turn around for you guys so you guys can see the back. It is a full back. I absolutely love this. When I tell you the bra fits perfectly, like no kind of bunching. I don't feel constricted. I don't feel too sucked in. My breasts are sitting perfectly. I love this set so much. And you know what's so funny? I knew I would when I was buying it. I was like, I'm gonna love this. It's a black girl nude. It's like a taupey brown. I absolutely love this. What do you guys think of this one? It's crotchless, which is interesting, but you don't feel it. So that's good. Yeah, and again, this is a full back, so lots of support. All right, so this next piece is like the perfect Valentine's Day set. This is a crushed velvet teddy, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a purple, magenta, pink kind of color. It is a thong with garter, hooks. I'm not going to show you guys the bottom because it cuts really high, but just know that it cuts really high. This is from Fashion Nova, but it reminds me of the Savage X Fenty one that everybody was wearing. It sold out and I wasn't able to get it, but this one is the next best thing. This is a nice little play on it, a nice little dupe. So if you guys are looking for anything pink for the Valentine's Day season, this is probably perfect. I absolutely love it. But yeah, pick this one up, y'all. All right, so this next piece is like my go-to. This is a classic lace teddy, and this is from Fashion Nova. Again, this is completely sheer, but I did put stuff in the way so that you cannot see. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know this is like my go-to lingerie. I absolutely love lace. It is kind of like a cheeky back. It's not really like a thong, but that's what it looks like in the back. I absolutely love it. Like, this is my thing. Like, this is so up my alley. It's super sexy, very, very, very comfortable. Like, I love it. I love it so, so much. Can't wait to wear it. But yeah, guys, pick this one up. This one is like maybe my favorite. No, the brown's my favorite. The brown's my favorite. But again, this is from Fashion Nova. All right, guys, so this next item is, again, completely sheer, but this is super sexy. This is definitely for my small waist women. Yeah, it's a banger. It's completely sheer from top to bottom. It is a thong back. It has 3 bands in the top, 2 bands in the top and in the middle, right at your waist to accentuate your curves. I do recommend women who have rolls or anything like that not to get this because it will dig in. Unless you're okay with that, then go ahead. But I just want to be completely transparent with you guys. It will dig in. But this is my, okay, this might be my favorite actually. Like, cause this is like super, super sexy. This is like, your man is gonna go crazy over this. But I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? This is so sexy. Like, you can never wear it anywhere but the bedroom because it's completely sheer. But I'm okay with that. Like, this is really sexy. Like, yeah. So for this last item, I did change the angle and back the camera up because I want you guys to be able to see the full extent of the piece. So this one is completely sheer and it is a dress. It has a little split on the side. I have the Savage X Fenty panties on underneath just to give more of an illusion. I absolutely love this. Like, I love this. This is super sexy. I would definitely wear this for like my man for sure. I did put something in the way so you guys can't see through it, but it is, again, completely sheer. It does provide support in the back. I didn't clip it, but it does have the bra clips. This is like, it goes all the way to my feet, which is shocking because I am 5'10", but it does go all the way to my feet. Y'all, pick this up. This is like the perfect Valentine's Day piece. Honestly, like you walk in the room with this, it's not gonna stay on you for long. All right, you guys, so that is the end of my Savage X Fenty and Fashion Nova try-on haul, Valentine's Day / lingerie edition. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope the sound was better. I do have my AirPod in so I could give you guys a little better quality sound because some people were complaining about the sound. But again, I'm trying. I'm doing a new setup for you guys. I'm going to get a backdrop. I want this to be quality videos only. So please bear with me. I am working on it. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check the description box down below because I will have everything, the links, the title, the names of the clothing, the sizing, all of that in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. If it's not there, then it probably is sold out or I can't find it. So I just want to let you guys know because there's always that chance. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.